What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to talk y'all through the SHREDmill circuit for our Max V Day. As you can see here, the primary exercise in this circuit is the SHREDmill Gear 4 rep. Today we're doing SHREDmill Gear 4A rep. So to start, I'm just going to talk you through kind of what these are, why we do them, and then I'm going to go through each exercise. So the first one, A1, is our prime progression drill of the day. Y'all know stiff leg primes. We do these often. Stiff leg bounds, bent knee bounds, these prime time progressions. Today I'm going to show you the very basic level of our prime progression series. Then we're going to go into an RSI test, a 10-5 test. Y'all have done these before. Then we're going to hit a GHD quad ISO, which does a couple things. Mainly we're just trying to lengthen that quad and hip flexor so that our turnover can be faster. Then we're going to work our turnover, and then we're going to go over to the SHREDmill and actually do that. So let's go through this. Our prime progression drill of the day, like I said, today is the most basic level in this progression. So all we're going to do is we're going to go toe up walks for 10 yards. We're going to pull our toes to our shin. We're going to dorsiflex our toe, and we're going to think toe scoop, right? So like if I have a shovel and I'm shoveling dirt, I'm going to think I'm scooping that dirt with my toe. So that's all I'm going to do is think toe scoop, toe scoop, toe scoop, toe scoop. This is a very basic drill, but even the best athletes need to do this, need to get back to the basics. If you can't do this, there's no way that you're going to be able to do a stiff leg bound or a prime time the right way. So all we're doing is toe up walks, right? Once you kind of get the feel for it, you can get tall, start to download what it's going to feel like to be in that stiff leg bound, in that prime time. But you get the gist. I'm going to go 10 yards. Boom, I finished. I'm going to walk back. I'm going to go through one more. Okay, RSI, or ground contact plyo. The test on output is called, I'm going to select my name. The test on output is called a 10-5 test arms free. I'm going to search 10-5 test arms free. Remember, come over here. We're using the foot strap, the skinny one. It's going to go over the foot on the shoelaces. I'm going to stick this vertically, not horizontally. I'm going to stick it vertically on my foot, strap it in, click start, come out to the turf. And then if you come over here, you see the score is 2.08. It's taken the average of your best 5 jumps out of the 10. Once you're done with this, we're going to walk over and lengthen the quad. So there's a couple different ways that we can do this. I'm going to show you my favorite way. You're going to swing over here. So we're going to use these rollers as support to stretch the quad. We've done quad wall before, so y'all know kind of what this is going to feel like. In a quad wall, our toe is straight. In this, it is imperative that we dorsiflex that toe. Okay, so I'm going to get here. I'm going to stick my foot in between the rollers, and I'm not doing this. I'm pulling my toe to my shin. Now I'm going to sit here. I'm going to stretch this quad. I can do it one of two ways. I can go here and kind of sit back, stretch it. I'm going to try to activate my hamstring while I'm also pulling my toe to my shin. Or I can go down, probably get a better stretch there. Either way, we're going to go 20 seconds each leg. Now, we've got a heel snap quad pull plus max V cycle. So we're going to do a heel snap quad pull 3 times on one leg. Then you're going to do the max V cycle 3 times on that same leg. Then you're going to go back other leg, 3, 3. So I'm going to be here. All I'm doing is I'm gonna go heel snap, quad pull. Heel snap, quad pull. Heel snap, quad pull. There's my 3. Now I'm gonna reset, start here, do my cycle there. Reset. It's gonna look like a B skip into a heel snap, quad pull. Now I'm gonna do 3 full speed. Reset. Reset. Now I'm gonna do my other side. Heel snap, quad pull, reset. Heel snap, quad pull, reset. Reset. Now I'm doing cycles. 1, 2, 3. Last thing we're doing, SHREDmill gear 4. Today I'm going to show you gear 4A. I will show you gear 4B and gear 4C later as we get throughout the summer. The incline is going to be at 15. You already have this. You want to come over here? I'll show you the iPad. So when y'all are going through this, this is how it's going to look. You're going to be here. Gear 4A, we're going to go 10 seconds. We're going to go resistance 4, and it's already going to be set at 15-degree incline. You're going to hit start run. It's at 14.2. As long as it's plus or minus 1%, we're good. I'm going to click start. Set the iPad up. Now gear 4. Gear 4 is form, right? So we've done all these drills to work on that cycle. Now we're going to work the cycle on the SHREDmill. I'm going to get 3 to 4 good steps of force, putting force back in the ground, speeding this belt up. Then when I get above my gear 2 speed, then I'm going to start to turn it over. You'll see my chest rise, and then I'm going to hold that speed as long as I can. Ideally, I'm able to hold this rep for 10 seconds. I'm probably not going to be able to do it. Okay, ready? 4 steps of force, then get into form. Finish the rep out, and then if you come over here, it'll show you. This was my speed. I got up to 15.5 was my max speed. I held it for a little bit, then I fell off. So that is the SHREDmill Gear 4 circuit that we do on our max V days. We will have hit something fast outside, then we'll come inside, hit this circuit, then get into our weightlifting.